Hey, it's Sam with WTI. I have extra wide kitchen cabinets, which means protecting my little one from dangerous things underneath the cabinet is a challenge. But these extra long child locks by Dreambaby, they are a lifesaver. As you can see, they are much longer than the traditional locks that you can get. How they work is they slide off. You squeeze these sides here and they slide off. And you thread them through and they are able to reach the other side. And you push them through and they work very well. You can make them tighter as you need to so they don't open as much or more together. This has been so helpful for our family. As you can see, we weren't able to use the traditional sized child locks, and this is so helpful because it doesn't require any installation and you can easily remove them, and that makes them renter friendly as well. So this is a great product if you are looking for something like this, and that's my point of view.